How much do you know about home remodeling? Test your knowledge with this quick and fun pop quiz. Discover remodeling tips, trends, and must-know facts. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's go!
Which of the following home upgrades typically adds the highest resale value? The answer is a full kitchen remodel. Which remodeling project is most likely to require a permit? The answer is moving plumbing. What is a common mistake homeowners make when remodeling? The answer is skipping inspections. What's the average return on investment for a minor kitchen remodel? The answer is 80%. What's the best time of year to start an exterior home remodeling project? The answer is spring. Got them all correct? Thanks for taking the quiz. And stay tuned for more.